Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, Vihaan, I can see it.
Okay. So my name is Vihaan and I'm from PYP 5A. My topic is space exploration. Let's start by looking at my program of inquiry. My transdisciplinary theme is how the world works, and I'm focusing on how humans use their understanding of scientific principles. For my exhibition, I have chosen the key concepts function and causation. I also chose the related concepts exploration and observation. My learner profile attributes are knowledgeable and inquirer. In every PYP exhibition, we must form a central idea. My central idea is space exploration facilitates new understandings. It means that when we explore space, we discover, learn more, and broaden our perspective. I also made 3 lines of inquiry: the reasons for space exploration, how space exploration has changed throughout the years, and how light pollution affects space exploration and the environment. For my PYP exhibition, I chose the ATL skills research skills because I can get more information while finding more relevant ideas and topics. In doing so, I can organize and explain my findings even more. Thus, people will be able to understand and learn more what I've discovered and studied. In every PYP exhibition, we also must do an action. My action was to send an email to the commune to try and reduce light pollution in Elmhult. I want to propose something called Elmhult Tower. It will be like a tower, but the first Saturday of every month. In Elmhult Tower, we must switch off all artificial lights. It will be at 9:30 to 10 p.m. Please join Elmhult Tower to make Elmhult a better place. For my written work, I did a 1,000-word essay. For my technology, I did a Minecraft presentation. Can you hear? Hello?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Okay.
Does the video have any sound?
It does. I just forgot to put sound means in the share screen. Okay, sorry. Exploration. Space exploration helps answer questions about where we are in the universe. It also gives us information on the history of the solar system. I found that from NASA, and all of my links are in my actual Word document. It helps us learn more, and as we learn, we can make the world a better place. I also found this from NASA. While exploring, we can identify and get prepared for dangers that may occur. I found that from ESA. How light pollution affects space exploration and the environment. Light pollution can make the sky much brighter than how it actually is. I found that from Celestron. What animals are being affected by light pollution? Baby sea turtles. Baby sea turtles hatch at night. To find the ocean, they detect the bright horizon. Artificial lights lead them away from the ocean, and the sea turtles then get killed. I found it from Dark Sky. Atlantic salmon. Atlantic salmon are affected by light pollution because they follow the sun to migrate. With artificial light, they would not be able to migrate. I found it from Dark Sky. Why is space exploration important? When we explore space, we can get new resources like gold from asteroids. I found that from interesting engineering. There is something called gigapan where you can see a huge picture and zoom it very much. The picture consists of hundreds, even thousands of pictures joined together. We can use gigapan to research on other planets. I found that from YouTube. So that's my Minecraft presentation. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. I was always interested in playing the piano since I was 6 years old, so for my composition, I made a song about space exploration. Let's look at my research. The reasons for space exploration. Space exploration has given way to many discoveries. Here are some examples. While we explore space, we spend many resources during the process, but we can also discover new resources and make new things for a better chance of survival. Till now, we have found out that Earth is the only planet that has life. With technology, we can adapt and live in other planets and moons. We can also understand how the Earth is related to other planets, such as Venus or Uranus. By understanding their relationships, we can then discover and explore the universe. Now let us see how space exploration started. Space travel began on October 4, 1957, when the Soviet Union launched their first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. The satellite's name was Sputnik. Sputnik orbited the Earth once every 96 minutes, about 1.5 hours. On November 3, 1957, the Soviet Union launched another satellite named Sputnik 2. Sputnik 2 carried the first living creature into space, a dog named Laika. Sadly, Laika died because of the spacecraft overheating. On January 31, 1958, the United States launched its first satellite. The satellite was called the Explorer. A rocket called Jupiter C carried the Explorer into space. In 1958, the US created a new government agency that explores space. The agency was called the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. In 1959, the Soviet Union launched the first human-made object to the moon, Luna 2. On April 12, 1961, the Soviet Union launched Yuri Gagarin, the first human who went to space. Yuri Gagarin made one orbit around the Earth. The flight lasted 108 minutes. In 1969, the US launched the first human to set foot on the moon. The man was Neil Armstrong. From 1972, space exploration largely consisted of countries researching on the International Space Station. I had interviewed the science teacher of our school, Subhashri, and I got a lot of information on space exploration. Why is space exploration important? Space exploration helps us understand scientific discoveries, and it helps us to know where we are in the universe. What would happen if we did not explore space? We would not know where we are in the universe, and we would not know how we came in the universe. What can obstruct space exploration? The money of each country, which comes from the government, is used for space exploration, and if we do not get that money, we would not be able to explore space. And also, human interest blocks space exploration because if we are not interested in exploring space, then we would not explore. What inspires people to research to explore space? Recent scientific innovations and research. When might space exploration become even more advanced? Gradually, with time, space exploration is getting more advanced. We also get more resources that help us get more information about space. How has space exploration changed throughout the years in general? When something new was discovered, scientists got to understand more about the topic. How can space exploration help us? There might be life in other galaxies. Scientists can process more data about water cycles, etc. Space exploration can help us with weather prediction. And without space exploration, we would not have the GPS. I also made a survey about if people stargaze or not. 26 people said that they stargaze and 10 people said that they do not. For the people who stargaze, 2 people always stargaze, 18 people stargaze sometimes, and 6 people rarely stargaze. 13 people say that space exploration is extremely important, 19 people say that space exploration is somewhat important, and 4 people said that space exploration is not important. There are many ways that light pollution affects space exploration and the environment. Here are some. With light pollution, you can only see the brightest stars at night. Without light pollution, you will be able to see many stars in the sky, including other celestial bodies. Light pollution is affecting animals because predators use light to hunt and the prey use darkness to hide. So, light pollution affects them because there will be too much light, so the prey would not be able to hide and the predators would be able to catch the prey more easily. Along with space exploration and the environment, there are many animals that are affected by light pollution. Fireflies are affected by light pollution because they flash their lights to signal each other. They also use their lights to mate. Um, so the male firefly flashes their lights to a female firefly to see if any female fireflies are there. But then artificial light affects them because then the male fireflies won't be able to see if a female firefly is nearby. Also, there were more animals and I put them on my Minecraft presentation. Space exploration also has many benefits for us. Here are some. Space exploration broadens our understanding of the human body by studying the changes of the astronaut's body when they experience space. Telecommunication allows us to communicate with others online. Without telecommunication, we would not be able to send or receive messages. That's the end of my prezi. I hope you enjoyed. Are there any questions?
Hi, Vihaan. No questions. Good work. Thank you for sharing with us.
Thank you.